Well, we got a little bit of excitement here at the shop. I mean, you know, not exciting really. But...
It's not exciting.
Wait, stand over. You're better over here.
Can you see me?
I used to
Can
be
you
able
see
to.
me now?
I could before.
So you come
Guess not.
this way. Get better lighting.
I could see one ghostly VW.
You do it here.
Oh yeah.
There we go. So what's going on?
It's dark.
It's dark. Who turned out the lights?
I did.
We lost power probably about 7:50, and it's about 8:20 now.
Yeah.
And I'm glad we have a wood stove
Yeah.
because we can't actually do any work.
No, I mean, Dubs by
it's-
candlelight?
And
Is
it's
that
in
something?
it's in the teens right now.
Yes.
So
Today is 17 degrees a little while.
Yeah.
Not outside right now.
You know? All right. So you guys gonna like
Michigan?
light some candles and
Nope.
little romantic dub
Nope.
day? No?
Nope.
No? Not happening, huh?
Nope.
Nope.
Oh well.
So in about a couple minutes here, we're gonna take a vote and call it, and
All right. Well, I'm trying to get where I could see
we might have a snow day
a snow day
with no snow.
with no snow. That's true.
So
Just a little bit.
I don't know. I sort of miss South Dakota on this stuff
Why?
because it's drier.
It's a dry cold.
It's a dry cold.
In Arizona, it's a dry heat.
It's a dry heat.
You've lived everywhere where it's dry. Now.
Yeah. And,
You moved to the most humid place. in the world.
Exactly. Short of Florida, this is
So
about.
supposedly we had 2 power outages in Hazel Green last night.
Oh.
This morning, one at 1:45 and then another one at 4.
Really?
We slept right through it, but the house was cold this morning.
It was cold.
I was kind of surprised
It
how
was
cold the house
definitely
was.
cold this morning.
So I think that was probably why.
All right. Well,
It's okay to sleep through that.
that's all right. No problem.
Yeah.
Get snuggled.
Yeah, the dog's on top and all
Yeah.
that. So
All
I don't
right.
know.
So we'll just wait and see.
I might just be taking a nap. I don't know.
A cold nap.
Yeah, a cold nap. I got blankets.
All right.
Later, folks.
Say bye to the nice people.
Bye, nice people.
Nice people.